Hi, everybody. Welcome back. My name is Mr. Campbell from MrCampbellRocks.com. Today, I'm going to introduce you to Screencastify. With over 10 million downloads of the extension to Google Chrome, it's a fantastic tool to use in your classroom to record audio, video, screen recordings, webcasts, all of those things. Again, not getting paid for this, not a promotional thing, just used it and loved it. I'm actually recording this video on Screencastify right now. It allows you, just through installing the extension, to see what you see here. My screen, a picture of me down in the bottom right-hand corner. And if you get the paid version, you can use the editing tools, the annotation tools, including cutting and splicing videos together and putting them apart and rearranging them, or combining multiple videos. So let's get started. The rest of the videos in this playlist will go through how to install Screencastify, how to complete your first recording, how to annotate your recording, how to cut and splice your recordings together, how to share those out through Google Drive or downloading that as an MP4 file to your computer. Again, I love you, I appreciate you, and I'm glad that you're here.